As solar becomes more affordable and more adaptable, homeowner interest in having a dedicated system for their home has grown. Here to talk about a single-family home solar system installation is Jake Robbie from Robbie Hardware. Jake, thanks for joining us today.
You bet, Pete.
Let's first talk about considerations for a solar plan for a homeowner. Take us through that.
The first thing we got to do is look at how many kilowatt hours the home needs, and then design a system, see if they have enough roof space or ground space to install what most people want is to eliminate the need to buy kilowatt hours.
Now, is every property suitable for solar?
Most are, unless we have heavy shading. Solar does not like shade.
Okay, Jake, so take us through the installation process. What's that like? How long does that take?
Basically, it just comes down to getting the proper permits in place, doing the drawings, getting approval from the utility company, and then scheduling the installation. My trained professionals come then and install the system generally just in a day or two, and we're making power.
Okay. Jake, talk to us a little bit about energy that's created with a solar installation like this.
Well, this particular array is going to produce about 22,000 kilowatt hours a year. There's a total of 44 modules here, but each panel is going to produce approximately 600 kilowatt hours a year.
Can that create to actual dollars then?
Absolutely. I mean, the utility company is going to buy any excess. You're always going to self-consume at time of production anything the home needs, but any of your excess then goes to the utility company and is credited against anything you need in the future.
Jake, as we look up in here in this house, help us understand a solar module. What are we talking about?
Well, one module is approximately 7 foot by about 40 inches. So what you're looking at here is actual solar array. It's a group of modules put together that are passing electricity to the home.
I know there's a lot of information you're sharing with homeowners. Is there a question that they're confused about that you hear most often in terms of a solar system?
I think probably the biggest thing is everybody thinks if the power's off, they're up and running. Without batteries, that's not the case. If we incorporate a battery into the system, then the system can be utilized when the power is off.
Yeah, I'm sure every home is a different situation, but our PowerHouse viewers are always interested in what's the cost going to be.
Generally, you're going to be around $1,000 per module, which includes everything. On the smaller systems, the 10, 12, 16 is going to be a little more than $1,000 per module average. On the larger ones, it's going to be less.
Jake, talk to us a little bit about, I know there's some tax credits if I'm installing solar.
Yeah, certainly. I mean, the federal credit today runs for the next 10 years and is a full 30% of the total project cost.
So that brings the question in terms of my return and payback, how many years?
Well, generally we see paybacks in approximately 7 years, plus or minus a year. Return on investments are normally calculated somewhere between about 9 to 13% ROI.
Well, Jake, thanks for sharing a lot of great information about solar. Thank you. Renewable energy is an essential part of energy. And if you'd like more perspective on whether solar is a bright idea for your powerhouse, visit PowerHouseTV.com.
California is the undisputed leader when it comes to solar power in the U.S., with almost 23 gigawatts of installed solar. Nearly 17% of California's electricity comes from solar.